All right, I'm gonna start, well, I'm trying to get this Motorola in here. Let's see who this is. On the Motorola device, good morning to you, or they're gone. All right, I'm gonna start letting them in. Can you get that letter for that gentleman out in the hallway too? The letter for his employer.
Oh, yes. What was his name? Do you remember?
Cortez Lindsay.
Cortez
Lindsay, yes.
Gotcha. Okay. And I did notice he's on the docket twice.
Yes, they do.
Okay.
All right, it's on you.
Good morning. The Honorable
Good
Judge
morning.
Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose. If you have a head covering on now and it does not represent religious purpose, please remove it now. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions and mute your devices. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
Well, I have a red shirt on.
All right, good morning, everyone. I'm gonna do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that's.
Just give me 1 second before we start. Just a second.
On the telephone at 313-974-1315. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Good morning, Judge Carl Gardner.
Carl Gardner. All right, for the people that are set for trial, I'm going to give, or formal hearing, I'm going to give the officer a half-hour grace period from the time, and I don't see any formal hearing, so from 9 to 9:30, if the officer appears, we'll get you into a breakout room with an attorney. If the officer does not appear, we will get you out of here.
Yes, sir.
Ready, Judge.
All right, Mr. This is the City of Detroit versus Reginald Lewis. Case number SP 189-8275, counts 1 and 2. SP 189-82753. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lewis.
Reginald Lewis.
Morning to you, Mr. Lewis. Today, as the date and time is set for a pretrial. Mr. Lewis, Mr. Berry, what's Mr. Lewis want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Lewis would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to limited access 1 to 5 for disregarding the red signal, the remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Lewis?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Take the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, with that, I'll find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5, $125. When can you pay it, sir?
I can pay it, within the week.
All right, I'll give you until the 21st to pay it. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, Mr. Lewis, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, you say I can pay it online?
You can pay it online. There are other ways to pay it. I just say the two best ways are the DivDat kiosk or or coming in, but you can pay it
Yeah,
online.
I'm disabled, so I don't really want to try to come in. I want to try to pay it online.
But DivDat, you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, I'm told, DIVDAT, or you can go on a 36 District Court website. There are multiple ways to pay it.
Okay, and it'll be on there, the ticket or whatever that I need to pay?
Yeah, and you type in your name or your ticket number.
Okay, I have to try to see it on these cards, the ticket number or whatever. All right, thank
There's
you.
nothing further. Have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
All right, thank you.
This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Spencer Lambert Grimes Jr. Case number SB 192874241. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Brown.
Spencer Lambert Grimes,
Good morning
Jr.
to you. Good morning to you. Today, a date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Grimes, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. On the Motorola device, good morning to you, sir. What is your name, please?
Xavier Lucas.
Oh, you're Mr. Soroki's client. Good morning to you.
Morning.
Oh, no. Xavier Lucas.
Yes.
I see. All right, good morning to you, Mr. Lucas.
Good morning.
Okay, hold on one second. We have a Dejanay Gooden on the phone who was scheduled for trial at 9. And she says she just had surgery on her knee and she's supposed to have an appointment at 9 with her surgeon.
Okay, can she call in after that?
Can you call in after your appointment?
All right, are we ready on Lindsay?
Yes, Judge.
All right, let's go, call. The City of Detroit versus Cortez, Duval, Lindsay, case number
That's why if we know, we call after your doctor.
SP 1911999, count 2. SP 192835001. Appearance for the record, please.
283501. Good morning, Judge. May it please the court, Tana Jenkins, P82663, on behalf of Mr. Lindsay. Sir, your name for the record, please?
Right now.
Mr. Lindsay, your name for the record, you have to unmute yourself, please.
He's in the hallway. He could go in the courtroom if the judge.
Come on in the courtroom, sir.
Cortez, DeVille, Lindsay.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant and a show cause. For purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Judge, we would ask that the bench warrant be set aside, waive a formal reading, stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. What did the city say about setting the defaults aside?
I didn't have an opportunity to talk to the city yet. I was wondering, though, some of his, our goal here is to get his license reinstated. He's got some older defaults, no proof defaults that are going to require payment before that happens. He also has a recent default from 6/25/26 and no proof. And he was able to provide me with valid insurance and registration. I was wondering if maybe the court could just dismiss that.
Let's talk to the city. Let's talk to the city about that. That probably the court could. I'll give the city an opportunity to reply to that motion, but the court could. The court rules say that I can set aside for good cause, but I'll give the city an opportunity to respond on that. Let's get the city in here, please.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Let's pass it momentarily. Did you sign advice of rights, Mr. Lindsay?
Yes.
All right, please have a seat and we'll get you called as soon as I get the city in there.
Thanks.
I also had a few more tickets for him too, but I guess we can discuss that on recall.
Yeah, those are gonna be the ones the city, I'm gonna let the city respond to the motion for setting aside the default.
Understood. Thank you, Judge.
Roderick Goodson is Soroki's client. So Mr. Goodson, I'm gonna wait on Mr. Soroki to come. It's the city of Detroit. Let me see if Mr. City of Detroit versus Dewan Terrell Glover, case number SP 115078551, SP 1398873, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1419465, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 211721, SP 192111722, State of Michigan versus Dewan Terrell Glover, SX 4029361. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Tana Jenkins on behalf of Mr. Glover. Sir, your name for the record?
Dewan Glover.
Sir, you're muted. I just sent you a notification to help you unmute.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Warren Glover.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
It's set for a pre-trial, put you in the breakout room with Ms. Jenkins. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room, do when you come out.
Okay.
We'll pass the matter.
Thank you.
Mr. Morning to you. Mr. Soroki, good morning to you.
I'm good, Judge. How are you?
I'm well. Good morning to you, Ms. Villarreal.
Good
Mr.
morning, Your Honor.
Soroki. Good morning. Your client, Mr. Gibson, is here.
I have 4 or 5 clients this morning, so I'll mark them. I'll rename them for you, and I'll keep track of them for you, Your Honor.
Well, Mr. Gibson is here. Are you ready on Roderick Gibson? Goodson, I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Goodson.
I need to get an offer from the prosecutor.
Okay, I'm gonna, Mr. Goodson, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 6. Mr. Soroki is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Grimes. Mr. Grimes, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date.
All right, that's what you want, Mr. Grimes?
Yes.
Come back on September the 4th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Grimes, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
September 24th?
September 4th. September 4th.
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you.
Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Rayshawn Lundy Mays, case number SP 1929206, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name.
Hey.
Rayshawn Lundy
Mays.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time.
Good morning.
To set a show cause for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
We waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lundy Mays, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. We'll pass the matter. Mr. Dubin, good morning to you.
Good morning to you and your staff, Your Honor.
What is your client's name?
Price is the last name, Your Honor. I'll get the first name right now, just so you might have another Price. So,
I don't have another Price. Kevin Price.
Yep.
All right. All right. Is Mr. Price going to be here or no?
They're civil infractions, Your Honor.
I know you're gonna ask the court to waive the presence.
Correct.
All right, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 4, and you can wait on the attorney. If the officer doesn't appear by 9:30, then we'll get you out of here. If the officer doesn't appear, you'll have an opportunity to pre-try it.
I appreciate you as always, Your Honor. See you in a little bit.
You as well.
There's no file for that one.
On the Motorola, good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Xavier Ricardo Lucas.
No, not you, Mr. Lucas. We've already talked.
Oh.
Motorola. Motorola. Did he join? Unmute yourself, please. Motorola. You have to unmute yourself, sir.
Hear me, Your Honor.
Yes, good morning to you. What is your name, please?
My name is Derek Gaston.
Derek Gadston.
Yes, Gaston.
That's 2 DDERRICK.
Derek, Your Honor.
DEREK.
Yes, sir.
GASTON.
Correct.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Judge,
Yes.
does Street Democracy provide financial assistance with tickets?
Beg your pardon?
I don't know. They're not talking to you, Mr. I do not know that.
It's my understanding that they do. Outside.
Okay. Let's see what Derek Gadsden has. I don't seem to see him on the docket.
Party. And go to, I was in church on the celebration. Was you praising the
Officer Nichols. Well, good morning to you. MPO Douglas, good morning to you.
Sir, I'm in.
Yeah,
Go ahead,
I
Judge.
see.
Good,
You're
go
good.
ahead,
Good
Judge.
morning.
Good morning.
No,
How
good
are you?
morning. All right, tomorrow, Mr. Derek Gatson. Tomorrow morning at 8:30, Mr. Derek Gatson.
So you want me to come back tomorrow and do this, Your Honor?
That's what you're scheduled for.
On the notice they sent me, it said 8/14.
And what is today?
I thought today was the 14th.
Well, what is today?
Today is, I don't know, Your Honor. I thought it was the 14th.
All right, well, figure it out.
Okay, no problem. Let me figure it out.
All right, on Monet's iPad. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
And good morning to you. What's on Monet's iPad? Who's that?
Stephen Green.
All right.
Good morning, sir. Judge Blake, right? Attorney Wright Blake.
Tomorrow, Your Honor, no problem.
All right, all right. Be safe. I'll see you in the morning.
Yes, sir. Gotta do this shit tomorrow.
So what are we waiting on, Mrs. Jenkins? Are we waiting on someone?
No, Judge. Well, for one case, Madam Prosecutor, but for Mr. Glover, he's in street democracy. He's an early enrollee. So I don't think anyone from street democracy is going to come today. So I was going to ask for a quick adjournment.
Glover, they should come.
He just enrolled yesterday, so I'm not sure that they will come, but let me see.
I'll call him.
Okay, thank you.
Let's pass it. This is the city of Detroit versus Andres Ramirez, case number SP 139-21891. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Hannah Jenkins on behalf of Mr. Ramirez. Sir, your name for the record, please.
My name is Andreas Ramirez.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Ramirez. Today is the date and time, and it's set for a appointment on the bench warrant for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Stand mute, request that the bench warrant be set aside. Waiver form.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Ramirez, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Jenkins. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
All right, Your Honor.
When you see the prompt, you join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. Pass the matter. Is that Christina Lasco?
Yes.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Grand Risings, Your Honor.
Did the city respond? Mr. Officer Wilson?
No, yeah, that's your Honor. Okay, she said, okay, Judge. She said on her way about 7 minutes.
Ms. Villarreal, I believe we're waiting on Guzman. No, we can go with Ricardo Diego Guzman, and that's the only one you have today, Ms. Villarreal?
Yes, I believe so, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lundy Mays. Mr. Lundy Mays, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel, and counsel, what's your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want, Mr. Lundy Mays?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna give you a trial date of September the 4th, September the 4th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, I do wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too, sir. 9 a.m.
Yes.
September 4th. Okay, I'm about to put it down now.
Okay. Good morning, Ms. Horn.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, everyone.
All right, Ms. Horn, the officers are gonna have to wait until I release them, okay?
Sure enough, sir. Thank you.
Judge Perkins.
Yes.
Good morning,
morning,
sir.
Corporal.
Yeah, good morning. I have one other courtroom in 333, if that would be okay.
That's fine. We'll be here. Let me see, is Rhonda
Good morning,
Gilliam?
Latch.
Good morning,
I
ma'am.
don't think Rhonda Gilliam has even appeared yet. Okay, we'll be here.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right, this is the city of Detroit. Versus Marcus Darnell Lipcourt Senior, case numbers SP 1904080, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lipford.
My name is Marcus Darnell Lipford Sr.
Senior, is that senior? I say junior? Senior, I'm sorry. Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time. It is set for a pre-trial. I do have a valid driver's license for Mr. Lipford. Mr. Lipford, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Yes, okay.
We'll pass the matter. Officer Walsh, good morning to you. Officer Walsh.
Good morning.
Good morning. Who is your defendant?
Green.
Stephen Green?
Correct.
All right. Good morning, Attorney Blake. I believe that Stephen Green is here. We're waiting on one other officer, I believe, Stewart, Officer Stewart. I'm gonna give that officer a half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30. I'm gonna put Mr. Stephen Green in breakout room 7. You have the ability to move from breakout room, and the city is meeting in breakout room 4.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. Officer Hatchman, good morning to you.
Hey, good
Hatchman.
morning, sir. I just spoke to Miss Horn right now. I got 2 other cases I gotta head out to. They started at 9 o'clock.
All right, make sure you come on back.
I'm sorry, go again, sir.
Make sure you come back.
Okay, I got room 220 and I got I forgot what the other one was.
Lofton is here.
Okay, yeah, I got 220 and I got King.
Okay.
I'm gonna head out to.
You can go check in. Go ahead.
All right, bye.
On the On the iPhone, good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Ariel Gaylord.
Say that again.
Ariel Gaylord.
Gaylord?
Yeah.
Do you see him on the docket?
Gaylord last name?
Gaylord.
Ginyard, Arion Ginyard. Okay, very good. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Yeah, trial. All right. Anyone ready? Besides, I know every defendant is ready. I do not know that. I just, any attorneys ready? Mr. Soroki, are you ready on anyone?
Your Honor, I'm
focus-
ready on Mr. Cartavoni Green, but we need the prosecutor on this matter. Because we're gonna ask to this. Yes.
Cartavion Green, go ahead with, she's in 4. She'll be in 4 when she gets done talking to the officers.
Okay, I'll go to 4. That's fine. Thank you.
Slidell, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. I have to drive down for in-person court, and I have a couple of other courtrooms to zoom into. I was wondering if I could check back. I spoke with the prosecutor.
Absolutely. Gardner is here, though. Gardner is here. All right.
Yep. All right. Thank you.
Are we ready on Lippert?
Ready, Your Honor.
Lippert. All right,
Ready,
good morning.
Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Marcus Lipford. Mr. Lipford, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance, and the court has confirmed that he has a valid license. We'd seek dismissal.
I'll dismiss the case, sir, for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you. I need Guzman, please. Mrs. Villarreal, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, sir. Evelyn Villarreal, Certified Court Interpreter, C3822.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court and not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. Oh, we're got to wait on Attorney Paris for this.
Oh.
So we'll wait on Attorney Paris. Lundy Mays, you're back. Lippert, you're free to leave. Your cases have been dismissed.
Oh, okay, I just wanted to make sure.
Lundy Mays, I don't know what you're back for, but Lippert is free to.
Am I free to leave too? My case is thrown out?
Ooh, no, not yours. Didn't you set a trial date?
I had the registration.
Listen, do you want a trial date? Do you want to offer or not? You said you wanted a trial date.
Yeah, I want a trial date for September 4th.
Okay, so I gave you the.
Okay, go ahead. I gave me
Bring your
trial
documents
date.
on. Bring your documents on that date.
Okay, I got you.
All right.
Oh, clear enough.
Officer Sarkeesian.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm headed into the courthouse right now for an in-person case. Would it be all right if I bounce out of this call?
You may just come back and check in for, when you get back, when you get down here.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Rayshawn Lund.
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Rayshawn Lund, case number U744232626. State your name for the record, please.
Rossan Lund.
Roshan Lund, I'm sorry. Date and time is set for a review. You never paid.
Yes, I was asking, may I please get like 3 more days?
3 more days?
Yes. Because I'm waiting for my first check for my job to come in, and it's supposed to came last night.
21st.
The 21st?
Yes.
Okay. I appreciate you.
Lipford.
You said I got it till the 21st, right?
Yeah, you have until the 21st.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Yes, your cases are dismissed, sir.
Marcus Lipford, case dismissed.
Yes, you talk with the city, you talk with the attorney, right?
Oh yes, so it's been throughout. I can't really hear because I'm at work, boss. Hit my phone.
Yeah, they're gone. They're dismissed.
All right, appreciate you. Y'all have a good day.
You as well.
All right, yeah, thank you.
Green, Officer Green, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. I already talked to the prosecutor. I do have in person in Kennedy, so I was just asking to just leave temporarily and then come back.
Very well.
All right.
Oh, you got, okay. Unless Blake needs you. All right, let's go. Are we ready? Are you ready for someone, Mr. Berry?
I am, yes, Your Honor, I am.
City of Detroit versus Henry Lamar Ledford, a junior, case number SP 192999501. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Ledford. State your full name, sir.
Press *6 to unmute yourself, please, if he's still here. Press *6 to unmute yourself.
Yeah,
Good morning to you.
I'm here.
For the record, please.
Henry Lamar Ledford Jr. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time is set for a pretrial. Mr. Ledford, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Join the room. Let's pass the matter.
Yeah, take that nigga to come.
Mr. Glover, I contacted Mr. Patel to confirm, let's see what they want to do today. All right, everyone else, I'm waiting on an attorney. I'm waiting on the speaker on your behalf too.
Para los que están esperando, sépase que estamos esperando que llegue un abogado.
Mr. Guzman, I'm waiting on Attorney Paris for
Señor Guzmán, estamos esperando que llegue la abogada Harris para poder atender a su caso.
Está bien, ok.
That's fine.
Gracias.
Okay. Thank
Gracias.
you. Thank you.
Mr. Attorney Blake, the Attorney Officer Stewart is here. So if you have an offer for Stephen Griffin, then we can get going. Good morning, Officer Stewart.
Good morning, Your Honor.
If you want to speak to the city, let me know. He's in there. He's in there with, well, he's not. I don't know where he is. 313-971. 313-971-3359. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
James Logan.
Good morning to you, Mr. Logan.
Good morning. Have my earphone.
All right, Mr. Logan, I'm going to mute your device. When we call your name, press *6 to unmute yourself.
You say do what, sir?
I'm going to mute your device. When we call your name, you press *6 to unmute yourself, okay?
Okay.
If you answer a call, you're going to get kicked off of the Zoom.
Okay, so you say press star what?
6 to unmute yourself.
Okay, *6. Okay.
Jalea Ganson, we're waiting on your attorney, Mr. Massaria. Let me finish reading that.
Yeah, no, I like this.
Good morning. Good morning. What do we have here, Mr. Burton?
Morning, Your Honor. May I approach briefly?
You may.
Your Honor, if I may, I want to introduce you to my interns. Good to see you. Lois, how are you, Your Honor? Good to see you.
You may approach.
May I approach? So these are my interns here. If I may, this is Miss Taylor Jemison.
How you doing, Miss?
Her second year at MSU.
Miss, okay, go
Miss Jemison,
Ethan,
right?
did they meet Ethan?
Aiden Martin.
How you doing, Mr.
I
Martin?
think you should mute your device, sir.
Persian High School,
Persian High
Doughboys,
School.
huh?
Yes,
That's
sir.
my cousins, does. They all went to that school.
Say, what is it? I always mess it up. Is it summa cum laude? Salutatorian.
Salutatorian.
Yes,
Damn,
sir.
it's better
Yes,
than
sir.
I would ever achieve.
Listen, I told you they wouldn't even
Congratulations.
they wouldn't let me in that room.
They
And then this
won't.
is Brother Garrett Washington.
All right.
Brother
How you
Washington
doing,
just
Mr.
graduated from Oakland University.
Okay, that's what's
So
up.
he's looking to take the LSAT, and this is all a part of that program. I've been telling you about Journey to Attorney. To give opportunity from high school, undergrad, law school, and then each. So we're working on it. So I'll tell you about it off
So
the
he's
record.
practicing what he preaches.
Yeah.
Trying.
And we welcome you. They say it's too many lawyers, but sitting here at this job, I've been here for 5 years now, and the biggest thing that I've recognized, and maybe I shouldn't say it, is how terrible some attorneys are. And so it's always room for very good attorneys, and he's a very good attorney that you're with now, and it's not hard.
Man,
it's not hard. It does take some diligence, some work, but it's not a hard job.
If I may, I'm sorry to cut you because I know you got court. I brought them in actually to give you your flowers. That's why I brought them here. This brother judge is so compassionate. He's about truth, justice, and he does so much for the people, which is crazy. You don't see it a lot. So I wanted y'all to see what an actual judge who is here for the community looks like. No disrespect to anybody else that we've seen. I'm not saying. I'm telling you, I've seen this brother on the front lines out there. How many times with, man, whatever, right? All these little nonprofit things he does. And then if you ever watch his court, you'll see the compassion and how he helps people get from here to the promised land, what I call it, which is the opportunity to help themselves. So anyway, Judge, I appreciate you. I just wanted to.
You all are more than
shout you out,
welcome
man.
to come in and sit in any time. If you want to do some intern, I can't pay you, but I can definitely, you can have a seat at the table, and whatever you want to, questions you have, make sure you have them and ask them.
I do have a opportunity that I'll run by you because Caden comes through GDYT also, which is in connection with Urban Alliance, and they pay them to come and work in our office for a certain amount of hours. So they're looking for partners like courts or staff that will give them opportunities where they will pay for to come. All you have to do is provide a good environment and be you, which is a good person. So I'll keep you in the loop.
Keep me in the loop.
I appreciate you. Always good to see you. For sure.
My pleasure. Good to meet you. Go Green. All right. Let's talk to Mr. Brooks. Mr. Brooks, are you ready on price?
Your Honor, I'm on this Golson, Rosalind Golson.
Rosalind Golson. Golson. Okay, are you ready on that one?
Yes, Your Honor, I am. The people have stipulated, and we have agreed as well, of course, to ask for a final pretrial because we have a few issues that we still are trying to work out.
City of Detroit versus Rosalind Yvonne Golson, case number SP 1913661. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Tyler Brooks for defendant Rosalind Golson.
Ms. Golson, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Rosalind Yvonne Golson.
All right, today is the date and time is set for a pretrial. What's the, I've understood you had the opportunity to speak to the counsel and you pre-tried the case. You need it's gonna be September 4th, a good date?
Yes, Your Honor, September 4th would be great.
September 4th, 2026 at 8:30, Ms. Golson. If it's nothing further, I do wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right? And you too.
Oh, Your Honor, I'm sorry, can I just confirm that's the final pretrial, right? That's not a trial.
That's the final pretrial, yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you.
I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Kevin Anthony Price, Case number SP 189-8277, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor, to you and your staff attorney, Maxwell Dubin, P number 86012, on behalf of Mr. Price, respectfully requesting waiver of his appearance here today.
I will, your retained counsel, and you have the authority to enter any agreement on his behalf.
I do, Your Honor. On that note, it is now 9:35. I have had a chance to talk to the prosecutor. This matter was set for 9. No officer has appeared. So for those reasons alone, I would move for a dismissal.
Oh, okay.
This your first time over here?
Yes. In this building, yes.
Officer Frederick,
Right.
Officer Frederick, hearing no response, I am going to just grant the motion to dismiss. There's nothing further. Counselor, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You have a better one, Your Honor. Great to see you as always. See you next time.
See you next time. Be safe. Yes, sir. Miss Jenkins, Mr. Lindsay is here, so I don't know if you spoke to the city regarding the set-asides.
She's not sent, I did speak with the prosecutor and she's not setting anything aside, unfortunately. So I guess he's gonna have to file his motion to get those.
If he has a good cause, as the court rules say, if he has good cause, I was wondering if it was gonna be an agreement, but if he has good cause, if he doesn't have good cause, if I don't determine he has good cause, then we won't set it aside. But if he has good cause, we'll set it aside. All right, let's do this. Let's go back. Who are you ready on, Mr. Berry? Not you.
Mr. Oh my.
All right, are you ready on anybody, Ms. Jenkins?
I have a plea to put through. Mr. Ramirez is ready to go forward with his plea.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Well, here, I'll give Mr. Berry a case.
Your Honor, I'm ready with Mr. Ledford.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Ledford. Mr. Ledford, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance. We'd seek dismissal.
I'll dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Mr. Ledford, best of luck to you. All right, Mr. Berry, this is going to be the City of Detroit versus Mariano Gibson, case number SP 188-5200, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 192-3300, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance, that's Soroki's client. That's Soroki's client. Mr. Gibson, give me a second. That's Mr. Soroki. Mr. Berry, this is the City of Detroit versus Lisa Greenwich, case number SP, can you run our license? 193-01911, appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Greenwich.
Hey. Oh.
Ms. Greenwich, can you unmute yourself, please?
Excuse me,
Press
Your Honor.
unmute.
Excuse me,
Your
Your
case
Honor.
is dismissed.
Okay, hello, I'm sorry. I was having trouble.
All right, take Record, please.
Lisa Greenwich.
Okay, good morning to you. Today is the date and time. It is set for a show cause, counsel, for purposes of arraignment.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Greenwich, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. Mr. Berry, he's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
It should be coming out right now.
Pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Ramirez. Mr. Ramirez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Thank you. My client would like to waive his right to trial. I took care of it, Judge.
Turn your camera on, sir.
Sorry about that, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge. Tana Jenkins on behalf of Mr. Ramirez. I had an opportunity to conference the case with my client, Madam Prosecutor. My client would like to waive his right to a trial and accept the amended offer of improper plates.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Jenkins went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not? Did she not? I'm sorry.
Yes, you did.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
We draw your attention back to way back to November 19th, 2022, at around 1:12 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Verner and Junction. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was that your 2009 Chevrolet?
19.
2019 Chevrolet, was that yours?
Yeah.
Did the officer ask you to produce some valid insurance?
Yes.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
Correct.
And why is that?
I hadn't renewed it.
You didn't have it,
That's
right?
Yeah.
All right,
No, I
find your
didn't.
client guilty. Say that again. That's it. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of improper plate. That's a 0-point offense. It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it doesn't carry any points, and I will dismiss upon payment. $240, sir. When can you pay it?
I could pay it soon as possible.
All right, have it paid by, if you have it paid by tomorrow, we can dismiss the case.
Okay. You said
Thank
240? I'm sorry, Your Honor.
240, yes. Pay it at
Okay.
come back in tomorrow morning. If you pay it at the DivDat kiosk, I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. It'll be dismissed. So come back in tomorrow morning. If it's paid, you know, I don't need to see you. If it's not paid, I need to see you, all right?
All right, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you.
Okay, are we ready on
Lindsay?
Lindsay?
Yes, Judge.
Now let's go back on the record with Mr. Lindsay. Mr. Lindsay, I've given Ms. Jenkins an opportunity to pre-try the case. Go ahead, Ms. Jenkins.
Thank you, Judge. There are a few different tickets, one ending in 327, counts 1, 2, and 3. Those are defaulted civil infractions. The incident occurred on 6/25/26. We were hoping that the defaults could be set aside for good cause. The tickets went to an old address. Mr. Lindsay has been experiencing some housing instability, kind of bouncing around. He's trying to establish himself post-release from incarceration. And so he didn't get the tickets. He didn't show up. And then he also was shot in July. So that further prevented him from staying on top of his affairs. And I think we've got ample good cause to set the default aside. And then count 3 is a no proof ticket. We were hoping that that could be dismissed today if possible. He did provide proof of valid insurance. And if that was dismissed, that would be $300 less that he has to pay to try to get his license reinstated so that he
All
can
of those issues are going to move forward. Make sure that you get an agreement with the city on any dismissal for documentation, okay? Let's do that moving forward. I understand that it's routinely done, but let's make sure that in each case we specifically seek that, all right? As far as the set-asides, Mr. Lindsay, what's going on with you? What is this Bedford address any good?
That's my old address. I'm not allowed to go there anymore. So
Released from
I
federal
can't hear
prison?
the president. I can't. I just needed
Oh,
to
you
hear
have to speak up into the microphone.
oh, I'm not allowed to go there. I've been home a year, August 6th.
Okay.
I stayed with my mother and I, Warren, Michigan.
Warren? All right, can you give me the address? Is that your mom? I was about to say, that don't look like your mom.
I'm not gonna call her.
You don't have the address?
Just to call and get the
I
address.
understand.
I can't remember like that. I be at work every day.
Yeah, you gotta know the address. All right, so you've been released from federal prison.
August 6th, year, days.
How much time did you do?
I did.
Speak up.
18 months.
18 months. Is that your first time ever going to prison?
First time.
That's your last time going?
Last time. Working now, trying to turn around the right thing.
And how did you get injured?
I had a party for my birthday that night, falling out, somebody tried to rob me. I didn't get shot.
And when was this?
The 18th of July, going to the 19th.
All right. The motion, Ms. Horn, appearance for the record, please.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303.
All right, the motion was to set aside the defaults. Mr.
I'm not aware of the case number nor the defendant at this time, Your Honor. We did speak about someone, but I'm not sure if that's who we're on the record for right now.
It's
Cortez Duvall Lindsay. He has some tickets that have not, let me look it up. He's got 2 cases on the docket, one in warrant status that we recalled the warrant, and the other one in show cause status. In both of the cases, there were some civil infractions that went along with the tickets.
The people will dismiss the warrant status and the misdemeanors. No, there will be an objection to set aside any defaults.
Okay, all right. And did you hear what Mr. Lindsay said about his current situation?
Yes, Your Honor. The people will defer to the court on sentencing.
Well, if it's a dismissal of the court is inclined to set aside the defaults for good cause.
And what year were the defaults?
They were from just recently.
Okay, I see good cause. He was in federal prison.
He was in federal prison last year and he's released. He had the tickets went to an address that he's no longer able to be at, and he's given us the current address. Can I get that address now?
25364 Campbell.
25364 Campbell.
Yes. Warren, Michigan.
CAMPBEL.
Yes, sir.
All right, and Warren, Michigan.
48089.
48089. And then you were recently shot. What day was that?
On the 18th going into the 19th.
Of what?
July.
Of July. Okay. So, all right. So when it default July the 28th, he got the tickets June 25th on the one set of tickets, and then on the other set of tickets, he got the ticket on May the 16th, and it went in default July the 7th. So I'm going to find good cause to set aside the defaults. That's on an unsafe manner, no valid registration, improper lane use, no valid registration, and no insurance proof.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Would it be possible? I'm going to renew my request to dismiss the no proof because he did text over thank you, valid.
No
Thank you.
objection. Yes. I know that
Okay,
one can be
thank
a harsh one. If he can just plead to no valid registration, the people will move for dismissal on all other matters.
All other matters?
You're correct. $90. You have $90 a day?
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. So if you plead to no valid registration, it'll be $90. And I'm gonna do this for you. Try to get you back on the road. You have $180.
Yes.
All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna allow you to pay these reinstatement fees up front. Now keep in mind, you owe a lot of other money down here, but and you're gonna still owe the rest of the balance of this money, but I'm gonna let you pay these reinstatement fees to these two no insurance proofs so that you can potentially set yourself up to get a license. One is $336. I'll let you pay the $45. You take it down to the window. And then the other one is $288. I'm gonna let you pay the $45 on that with the understanding that you're gonna pay the rest of that money off at some point in time. You can set up a payment plan with the city, or you can figure out how you wanna do that. So is that dismissal of the misdemeanors as well? Ms. Horn?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. One more time.
Is that dismissal of the misdemeanors as well?
Yes, sir. I'd like to see him back on track. Looks like he served his time. He's got some people to support him, and I'd like to see him enter society in this community on a positive note.
Thank you. Thank you so much. He's got a job too. He's really trying.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Yes.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes.
With those stipulations, I'll find your client responsible as charged to the no valid registration. That's going to be $90. And on SP 105 72312 and SP 1214763, I'm going to allow him to pay that first $45 that he pays. I'm going to allow that to go toward his reinstatement fees.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. What you need to do is after today, go to the Secretary of State, ask them for a valid license. If they don't give you a valid license, then ask them for a printout. They should give you a printout of everything that's affecting your license. At least, even though you owe all this money, you should be able to get a, it seems like I don't see anything else that's affecting your license, but you have to go to the Secretary of State and they'll let you know that. Ms. Smith will get you some paperwork. If there's nothing further, ma'am, best of luck to you and Mr. Lindsay. And ma'am, thank you for your support. And,
So do I bring the receipt back up here at that?
no,
Just pay it.
that's on you.
I'm gonna go pay it right now.
All right.
Give me a moment to get
your
everything
paperwork.
entered. I'll give you paperwork and then you can take it down and take care of it. Okay?
All right.
Well, thank
Appreciate
you.
And good luck to you, sir.
Take care.
And Your
Yes.
Honor, take
Yes.
care. Your Honor, on Curtavion Green, I think we started a formal hearing on that. The trooper and I did discuss this when we round back last time. The matters are being dismissed.
Okay. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Yvette Hazel, Geraldine G. Case numbers SP 189-3164, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 120-42181. Appearance for the record, please.
Yvette G.
Yvette, I'm sorry, ma'am.
It's okay.
All right, Miss Jenkins, appearance for the record, please. Miss G's, turn your camera on, please.
Okay.
Donna Jenkins, on behalf of Ms. G, ma'am, your name for the record?
Yvette G.
Okay, good morning to you, Miss G. Today is the date and time. It is set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Miss Jenkins. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yeah.
All right.
We know.
Join the room. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record. Greenwich, Mr. Greenwich, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we'd ask the court to confirm that the defendant
The
has
license.
a valid license,
The license is valid.
and we seek dismissal, Your Honor.
We'll dismiss the case, ma'am, for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day, and best of luck to you, okay? Mr. Patel, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Mr. Frank Massaria in here, please, for Miss and Miss Paris in here for Mr. Guzman, Mr. Frank Massaria for Mrs. Ganson, please.
Your Honor, could I get it placed in a breakout room with Mr. Glover?
You may. This is the city of Detroit versus Mariah Glenn, case number SP 1930561, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning.
Good morning to you, ma'am. State your name for the record, please.
Mariah Glenn.
All right, Mr. Berry, it's on you.
Oakwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, Miss Glenn, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
All right.
All right, join the room. We'll pass the matter. Miss Greenwich, your case is dismissed, ma'am. You're free to leave. Best of luck to you. I'm gonna have to put her on. Where is Mr. Soroki? Good morning on the Motorola device. Good morning. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name? So I've stopped your video. I'm sorry. Good morning to you. What's your name, sir?
Michael Long. Good morning
Michael
to you.
Long?
Yes.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Long. Mr. Whitey, good morning to you, and Miss Bradfield, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
Mr. Whitey, I am in receipt of your motion. Ms. Ganson is here. I'll put you in a breakout room with her. I just haven't, I don't know whether this is my first day seeing the motion. I don't know if that motion has had an opportunity, the city has had an opportunity to respond to that.
Yeah, Judge, actually, it was just filed 2 days ago. We're just trying to schedule a motion hearing date. We don't expect you to hear it today. You just got it. The city hasn't responded. We were just looking for a date to argue the motion and come back. So we could do that right now if you wanted. Just give me.
Where is her? Ganson. Okay, right in front of me, right in front of me. City of Detroit versus, let me check probation. Check probation with her. Ms. Ganson, unmute yourself, please. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
Have you been testing, ma'am?
I went one time. I had to keep calling the office because no one called me. So I came up here and I got the test and I went down to ATS and I took it on Tuesday.
And that's the only time you've tested?
Yes, and I have proof that I was calling the probation office and every time they said they didn't receive my referral. She even contacted the court.
All right, give me a minute, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna check, get probation so they can expound on that. Have a great day. Best of luck to you both. Miss Bradfield, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you today?
I'm well. How about yourself?
I'm doing well.
All right, who do you have? I know you sent me an email.
Yeah, Xavier Lapointe.
He's here.
Okay. I have co-host ability so I could go between his his breakout room and the prosecutor.
You know you can.
Thank you.
He's got an informal hearing on the 27th.
All right. Thanks for letting me know that.
Mr. Lapointe, good morning to you. I gave you co-host already.
Morning.
Mr. Lapointe, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 6, Mr. Lapointe. Miss Bradfield is going to try to work things out, all right?
Okay.
Good morning to you. Are we ready on Mariah Glenn?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Miss Glenn. Miss Glenn, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we would ask the court to confirm that Ms. Glenn has a license and she has shown valid insurance as well as registration.
Give me a second.
All right. Yeah. Let me know who I'm.
Oh. On the telephone at 313-880-0677. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
You better. Good morning. Good morning. My name is Jamaica Glasser.
Check in. Oh,
How do you hear
Janika Glasser. Okay.
I don't know if you can hear
Okay.
me or not. Let me go in the hallway. I'm sorry. One second.
No, I can hear you. Just mute your device. All right, until I call your name, okay? I'll mute you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Press *6 to unmute yourself.
Okay, *6 to unmute myself.
Yeah, when
thank you.
we. All right. Mr. Shiroki, are we ready? Can we run that license for Mariah Glenn?
Yes,
Yes, please.
Probation officer Lears is going to be joining for Kansas.
Okay. All right, I'm waiting on
I'm ready.
attorney. I'm waiting, Mr. Barry. Who are you ready on? Cartavion Green. All right, City of Detroit. This is the state of Michigan versus Cartavion Green. Case number SX4680145, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Cartavion Green.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Green. I already spoke with the city, Mr. Shiroki, and I know that they're giving Mr. Green a break. Mr. Green, if I keep seeing you, sir, you're just gonna. You're not gonna get many more deals or opportunities in here. All right.
Yes, sir. I appreciate it. I understand that.
All right. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Miss Mariah Glenn. Miss Glenn, I'm going to dismiss your cases for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you. Okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Ready on Roderick Goodson, Your Honor. He's going to take a plea.
All right. Let me call the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Carl Anthony Gardner, case number SP1921964, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP1921971. The record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Gardner.
Gardner, press *6 to unmute yourself, please. I know today is the date and time set for a trial. Corpus Fidel, did he come back yet? All right, he was here. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, Mr. Gardner, state your name for the record, please. Press *6 to unmute yourself, please.
Carl Anthony Gardner.
All right, good morning to you, sir. I'm gonna put you in the breakout, Mr. Barry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, I mean, he'll be in there. He's in there, Mr. Barry. Let's pass the matter. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Mariano Gibson, case number.
Your Honor, he's not ready yet. He's still in the breakout room.
I'm
here. I'm here.
Who are you ready, Mr. Shiroki?
Okay. Well, first of all, let's call let's call Mariano Gibson. You just call his name. That's
City of Detroit versus Mariano Leonard Gibson. Numbers SP1885200, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP1923300, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Mariano Gibson.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right.
Your Honor.
Good morning.
Thank you. Mr. Gibson, are you wishing to accept the offer of plea to the fail to display as reduction to, or as
He has a
charged?
valid, license, so I just let you know that.
Oh, he does? That's good, and that would be dismissed. Mr. Mariano, Mr. Gibson, are you willing to accept the marijuana for the 3-month delayed sentence? And the
Yes.
remaining tickets be dismissed? Okay, very good.
Raise your right hand, sir.
Oh, okay.
Do you swear or affirm tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or
Yes.
$500 fine?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Soroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Have any questions about those rights?
No.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to June 15, 2026, around 4:01 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Hebert and 30th Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you have some marijuana?
Yes.
And was that in a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Where was that marijuana stored?
It was in the passenger side on a cup in a cup holder.
All right, you understand that the marijuana needs to be stored in the trunk or where you don't have access to it while you're operating that motor vehicle, correct?
I did not know that until the officer said that, because I stopped smoking weed 13 years ago.
Well, you got some weed in your car. They didn't say you were smoking it.
Yeah, I know.
All right, they said you're legally transporting it.
Yes, Your Honor.
And 13 years ago, you were violating the law by smoking the weed.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I know. I'm sorry.
All right, I'll find your client guilty as charged to the illegal transporting of marijuana, $240. Stipulate the probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, do two things. Pay it by November the 9th. Come back on November the 9th at 8:25. Have it paid and don't get any other trouble. We'll dismiss the case, okay?
Okay, so all the other tickets are dismissed?
Now, yes.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
All right.
Mr. Goodson, if you don't have a proper license plate on your car, you're looking to get pulled over. So
Well, it
just
wasn't
keep that in
it
mind.
wasn't, yeah, no,
Okay,
I
I'm just letting you know. I'm just
I
letting
know.
you know.
I got
Okay?
it. Okay.
Your Honor,
Yes.
Mr. Gardner has an attorney. He only knows that's a female attorney. He does not know the name.
Okay. All right, let's call the city. Are you ready on Roger Dwayne? Yes.
I'm ready on
Your
Mr.
Honor.
Goodson. Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, if I may, if I could find
You
out
may.
which officers have appeared so far for LaPointe.
All I have is one case for LaPointe, and Wassim, I saw Ozzy. I don't think he hasn't appeared. All right, let me get Goodson out the way, and then let me start Mr. Berry on. This is Mr. Berry. This is the city of Detroit versus LaKendra Nicole Lofton. Case number SP 1924553, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lofton.
You have to unmute yourself, Ms. Lofton.
LaKendra Lofton.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time. It is set for a trial. Officer Hackham, can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Officer Hashem, Batch 10, Detroit Police 6th Precinct.
Turn your camera on, please.
Yeah, I'm clicking right now.
All right. Good morning to you.
Good
I'm
morning,
gonna
sir.
put you in Ms. Lofton with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, we'll pass the matter. This is the City of Detroit versus Xavier Lapointe, case number SP 1877061. Appearance for the record, please.
Donna Jenkins on behalf of
No, that
Miss.
would be Miss Bradfield.
Sorry.
I'm sorry. All right, Ms. Bradfield, are you there? All right, go ahead. Let's call the City of Detroit. You don't have anybody, do you, Ms. Jenkins?
Yes, Judge, I'm ready for the plea on Ms. G.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
I mean, it's a call the City of Detroit versus Roger Dwayne Goodson, case number SP 1170896, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 971266, counts 1 and counts 2, U46020318, 18383861, 1848656061. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Soroki.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. As to those tickets you read into the record, those tickets are Mr. Goodson's son, who was born in 1986. Mr. Goodson his birth year is 1964, and he has one ticket in warrant status for high BAC. The offer on that ticket is an OWI, and he's accepting that offer, Your Honor.
Let's strike that from the record. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Roderick Goodson, case number as case number Z8101561. Appearance for the record, please.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Roderick Dwayne Goodson Sr.
All right, good morning to you. Has he, is this his first appearance in front of me for this?
I have an appearance in front of you.
You've never appeared in front of me for this?
I haven't personally appeared. I've sent an appearance in. I've just recently was appointed on it.
Mr. Goodson, did I have you testing?
No, sir.
All right. I don't wonder what's going on with that. So you've worked it out?
Yes, Your Honor.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Sir, honest with you, me and him broke up in a breakout room. I haven't spoke with him. I don't even know what the deal is.
Okay.
We got disconnected.
Let's go back.
Go back to the breakout room, Mr. Goodson, and speak with Mr. Soroki, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Sorry.
We'll pass the matter.
No.
All right.
Your Honor, was I being sent over to the breakout room?
No, I don't know if you've talked to Miss Horn or not. I can send you to the breakout room. She's just not in here yet. She's in another courtroom, but
Yeah,
I'll send you there.
I spoke with her earlier before I left for my other court cases.
If that offer holds up, it's just been the case where we've been letting officers go, and then later on, that the last hour, last minute, people have been asking for trials. So we're trying to not run into that issue. All right.
Okay.
So let's go back on the record with Ms. G. Ms. G, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Thank you, Judge. She would like to accept the city's offer of a failure to display on the driving license suspended, dismiss the no proof, reduce the failure to stop the stop sign to a blockading, dismiss the license never acquired.
Say that again.
failure to display on the driving on a suspended license, count 1 of ticket 16164.
Okay.
Dismiss count 2, plead to a reduced count of blockading on count 3, dismiss ticket ending in 2181.
You want to take the deal, Ms. G?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, please.
Um,
Do you, right hand, other right. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
No, I didn't know that part.
You understand that now?
Yeah. So I will have to do 93 days?
No. That's
not about. I'm not going to make you do the 93 days. I just have to let you know the maximum possible penalty, ma'am.
Okay, yes.
That'll make you not want to drive without a license anymore, though, won't it?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Miss Jenkins went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room. Did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
Did we get a person here?
She's coming.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yeah.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 30th, 2026, around 6:12 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Tyreman and Westwood. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
No.
Why is that?
I've been working on getting my other ticket paid for me to get my license.
All right, when are you going to get the other ticket paid, ma'am?
Well, I have to save up money. That's what I've been doing because I have other things to do. So I've been trying to save up because that ticket is $2,000, I believe.
Have you ever had a license before?
No.
No.
This failure to display may push her back more, but
We talked about it. We talked about all the different options. It's probably going to push her back a year, but she said it's going to be a while to get the $2,000. So,
all right. Well, did you speak to the city? If they have any sympathy for that,
I will happily recall the case and try. Yeah, I like that idea. We can try that.
The opportunity.
Okay.
Thank
All
you,
right,
Judge.
pass the matter, ma'am. She's going to work on it, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right. What's Mr. Patel? Good morning to you. What about Mr. Glover?
Mr. Glover? Mr. Glover is eligible and interested in participating in Street Outreach Court Detroit. We created an action plan, and we're asking the court for time for him to complete the program. We're asking for a date of November 24th.
Where is Glover's file? Glover. All right. I had it somewhere. I think I have it right over here. This is the city of Detroit versus Dewan Terrell and the state of Michigan versus Dewan Terrell Glover, case number SP 11507851. I've already caught the case. We'll go back on the record with Mr. Glover. Mr. Glover, Mr. Patel, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Jayesh Patel, P number 65385 for Mr. Glover. Mr. Glover, would you please state your full name for the record and also unmute your video?
I'm trying to right now. I can't see how to get.
Maybe make it easier for you. All right, Mr. Patel.
Yes, Your Honor. I've had a chance to speak with Mr. Glover. He is interested and eligible in participating in Street Outreach Court Detroit. We're asking for time for him to complete the program. We're asking for the return date of 11/24.
Mr. Glover, you couldn't get that camera started?
Think here we go.
Very good. All right, Mr. Glover, I tell you what, I know that this is probably some trying times for you. I do believe in Mr. Patel's program. I've seen the program work. I know it's going to take some diligence and some persistence, and that you have the help there, and I hope that gets you over the hump. I always say to people in this situation is, I'll go back to Dr. Martin Luther King. He's quoted as saying that the true test of a man is not where he or she stands in the moments of comfort and convenience, but where he or she stands in the times of challenges and controversies. And this seems like your test, sir. And I hope that you pass it. I'm sure you're going to pass it. I'll be praying that you pass it, and I hope you get put this behind you sooner rather than later. Like I said, I believe in Mr. Patel's program. I've seen it work, and I hope it works for you. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. When is the next date you need, Mr. Patel?
November 24th.
November 24th, sir. I hope to hear some a lot better news by that time. And I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Sure thing. Thank you.
Thank you, Your
Best of luck to you. All right. Mr. Soroka.
Yes, Your Honor, we're ready for a plea. Mr. Goodson.
That was quick. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Goodson. Mr. Goodson, you got all your questions answered? Unmute yourself, please.
There we go. You there?
You have all your questions answered?
Yes, sir, I did.
All right, you want to take the deal?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. What is the deal? Just an OWI, Mr. Or what is it? What is the deal, Mr. Schroep?
Your Honor, he's pleading as charged with reduction to OWI.
All right. Mr. Goodson, you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Soroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking a deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
And has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, let me draw your attention back to May the 30th, 2026, around 6 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of on Hasse Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
And did you have some alcohol prior to or during the operation of that motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
And what kind of alcohol did you have?
Beer.
And how many beers did you have?
Probably about a 6-pack.
And would you agree that that six-pack affected your ability to properly operate that motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Will you stipulate to the lab report for the purposes of this plea, counselor?
Yes, Your Honor. The lab report states blood alcohol level of 0.278.
It's a lot of beer. Are you sure that was just a six-pack of beer, sir?
You know what? I could have, because I was with the guy over his house. We probably had a couple of shots of liquor too, sir.
And the six-pack, right?
Yes, sir. I probably had 6-pack by myself.
You probably did. You sound
I know
like,
I did.
you sound like
I know
you
I
kind of,
did.
wait a minute,
I
wait
know
a
I
minute.
did.
You sound like you're kind of bragging about it.
No, sir. No, sir. And I'm not bragging about it.
I think that's what it sounded like to me. I had
No, sir.
six-pack by myself.
No, sir. I'm not bragging about it.
All right. Do you need some alcohol treatment, sir?
No, sir.
Hey, you know you're going to have to stop drinking from this point on. I'm going to test you one time
Yes,
per
sir.
week. I'm going to
Yes,
find
sir.
him guilty as to the amended count of OW operating while impaired. I'm going to start testing you one time per week. I need, is this phone number that we had?
Yes, sir.
This 2835 number, is that still a good number?
Yes, sir.
We'll refer this matter to probation. I'm going to request a pre-sentence investigation report, and I'm going to have you start testing one time per week. I'll give you the number to probation just in case. The number to probation is 313-965-3414.
3414.
Yes. I'm going to set a sentencing date for, let's say, September 14th, 2026 at 10 a.m. Your probation's got to contact you. If you don't hear from probation in a week or so, get back with the court. No leaving state without court's permission and no drinking.
Yes, sir.
All right. Get back with the court if you don't hear from probation. You need to have that pre-sentence investigation report before I can sentence you. And if there's nothing further, sir, I do wish you the best of luck. If there's any positive tests, missed tests, or diluted tests, Paul, we're going to go up on conditions of the bond. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
And also, for the record, the sentencing will be by Zoom.
Yeah, very well. Sentencing by Zoom.
Okay. Yes, sir. September 14th.
September 14th.
Would y'all send me a notice?
They should, and you should call from probation.
Oh, yes. Okay, thank you.
You got this, you're on the same address, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, best of luck to you, Mr. Goodson. Have a very good one. Where's your son? Is he's supposed to be in Texas?
I know. I'm the one supposed to be moving to Texas with my daughter. She just had a new baby, but now I'm on probation. I can't move.
Where's your son?
My son, Roderick, he's right down the street from here. I
Well,
got
he
him a
needs
house right down the street.
he's on the docket right now too.
That's what I keep telling him. I spoke with him yesterday. I'm supposed to call him in a minute. Pay
Well,
some of your
that's all right.
tickets.
That's all right. We'll put a warrant out for his arrest. They'll come pick him up.
Yes, sir. He on the docket. Yes, sir. And you have a blessed one.
He if you can get him in here today, he's on the docket today.
Okay, I'm just trying. Can I put him on Zoom with you?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, I'm gonna go get him now, sir.
All right, very well.
Okay.
Are anyone else, Mr. Soroki?
No, I had two people that didn't appear.
Rod is just the dumbest little boy.
Hold on. Mr. Mute Mr. Goodman. All right. Goodman. All right, two people that did not appear.
Yes, Alexis Lawson
Okay.
And Mary Vani Gray.
Hello.
Good morning. I dismiss your case, Miss Greenwich.
Okay, thank you. I'm sorry, just dropped the call. I appreciate you. Thank you. Have a great day.
You have a better one.
Okay.
All right. All right. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Xavier Lapointe. Case number SP 1877061. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daphne Bradfield, P 70578 on behalf of Mr. Lapointe. State your name for the record, sir.
Xavier Lapointe.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for trial. The officer has failed to appear. We move to dismiss at this time.
All right. They say he's firing bullets. He missed a bullet right there. Mr. Lapointe, I don't come back in here for that stuff again, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Bradfield. I'll see you soon.
All right. You and your staff enjoy the rest of your day.
You as well.
Madam Clerk.
Yes.
Mr. Guzman needs an interpreter. Do we have?
He has one, Miss Villarule. She's in the room now.
Okay, when I was in there, no one else besides him is there. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Berry, you're looking for someone, right?
Your Honor, we're ready as to Ms. Lofton.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lofton. Ms. Lofton, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea of blocking traffic for the failure to stop at a stop sign.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
Find your client responsible as to the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay the money, ma'am?
I can pay it on the 27th of this month.
All right, have it in here by the 28th, all right?
Okay, thank you.
You paid at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You too.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus Xavier Ricardo Lucas. Case number SP 192-81551. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lucas.
Xavier Ricardo Lucas.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for a show cause for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lucas, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. All right, let's pass the matter. Is that Christina Lasco?
Yes, Your Honor.
Morning to you, ma'am. All right, City of Detroit versus Christina Marie Lasco, case number U76592-126. Appearance for the record, please.
Tana Jenkins on behalf of Ms. Lasco. Ma'am, your name for the record?
Christina Lasco.
I think I already printed it. I'm sorry.
Oh, did you? Okay.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time, and it is set for a pretrial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Jenkins. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank
All
you.
right. join the room when you see the prompt, Ms. Lasco. We'll pass the matter. All right, anyone else ready besides every defendant and every officer in here? Gardner, do you know, you don't know who your attorney is, huh?
Sir, it was 2 weeks ago. It was a young lady. I forgot her name.
Yeah, are you talking about Miss Harris, the one that was in here? She was appointed specifically to you? Or was she just
She
in
was
here, huh? Go ahead.
She was appointed to me 2 weeks ago, sir. This was my trial, and I was supposed to have been waiting to see if the officer showed up. If not, then we just go on to what I plead guilty to what my charges was.
Well, the officer did appear, and I don't know what attorney you had, because you have to keep up with your attorney's name, so I don't know what attorney you had.
Oh,
Your Honor,
wow.
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 Ganson.
Ganson?
Yeah,
What did it say?
probation officer said that she was negative. She tested at ATS on August 11th and was negative.
Yeah, but what about all the other tests, though? August 11th was just, okay, that's probably when they just got the referral then.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, are you ready on anybody, Ms. Jenkins?
I lost Ms. Lasco. She just came back in now, and I'm trying to get her back in the room.
All right, I'm gonna put her back in the room.
Thank you, Judge.
Join the room, Ms. Lasco. Did we lose her again? All right, she's having issues. I think we lost her again. Let's move on. All right, City of Detroit versus Lloyd Edward Goldman. Case number SP1489341, SP19011532, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Donna Jenkins on behalf of Mr. Goldman. Sir, your name for the record. Mr. Goldman, I'm sending you a prompt to unmute.
Officer Corporal Catlin, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, badge, number, department for the record, please?
Yes, sir. Officer Catlin, badge 2717, Detroit Police Department.
All right, good morning to you. All right, Mr. Goldman, you need to turn your camera on as well. State your name for the record, please.
Oh, my name is Lloyd Goldman.
Good morning to you, sir. Today's date and time is set for a trial. I don't see Officer Forte here. I just see Corporal Catlin. Get Mr. Goldman an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the officer offered today, sir, today is the date and time set for the trial, okay? Put you in a breakout room with Ms. Jenkins. Let us know what you want to do. Pass the matter.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You ready on anyone, Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor. Ready as to Mr. Lucas.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lucas. Mr. Lucas, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
That's what you want, Mr. Lucas?
Yes, sir.
All right,
Judge.
you're welcome. Trial will be September the 4th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go with Dejanay Gooden. Are you there, ma'am?
Yes, I'm here. Good morning.
Good morning to you. City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Dejanay and Gooden. Case number strike that, 2677093412, 26770935. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gooden.
Dejanay and Gooden.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time. It is set for a trial plus formal hearing. Officer Nichols NPO Nichols was here. Mr. Berry, there he is here. I'm gonna put Ms. Gooden in a breakout room. Give Ms. Gooden an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Gooden, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, we'll pass the matter.
Okay.
Mr. Blake,
Yes, Your Honor.
you ready on anyone? Are you ready on Mr. Green?
I'm ready.
City of Detroit versus Stephen Darrell Green. Case number SP186-29431, SP188-69871, SP193600021, SP1936019, strike that, SP1936061. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Wright Blake appearing on behalf of Stephen Green, P37259. Mr. Green, state your
Mr.
name.
Green.
Good morning, Judge. Stephen Green.
Good morning to you. Officer Stewart, good morning to you. Can you put your name, badge, number, department on the record, please?
Officer Dr. Stewart, badge number 4858, over for Detroit Police Department.
All right, good morning to you. Day is the date I'm set for a trial. I did have Officer Green here, Officer Stewart, and let me see who that other officer would be. Have you got the what's the recommendation, Mr. Blake?
There was no recommendation, Judge. I never got a chance to talk to a city attorney. No one ever came to the breakout room at number 4.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, you gotta go wait on the city to work it out. I don't think that one officer appeared for wait a minute, let me make sure I'm saying this right. Well, that was a U ticket. We're not talking about a U ticket. Officer Stewart, Officer Green. There should be another ticket here.
Officer Walsh, I'm here for him too.
Say that again.
Officer Walsh is here for him as well.
Can you turn your camera on, Officer Walsh?
Yeah.
All right, name, badge, number, department. Good morning to you, Officer Walsh.
Good morning, Officer Walsh, badge 4032, Detroit Police Department.
All right, was that the operating illegal?
Yes.
Very good. All right, let me put Mr. Blake and give you an opportunity. Ms. Horn is in another courtroom now, but I'll give you an opportunity to speak with I'll pass the matter. I'm gonna put Mr. Green, you can go back to breakout room, you go to breakout room 5, and Mr. Blake will come see you, all right?
Okay. Thank you, Honor.
Well, pass that matter. All right. All right, waiting on an attorney. Where's Whitey?
It was on the screen last I looked.
Is he on there now?
No.
Okay.
All right, sit tight, Miss Lasco. I'll get you back in the breakout room.
I apologize, Honor. I'm having problems with my phone today. I apologize for that.
No need to apologize, ma'am.
So quick question. When you put me in the Zoom, am I supposed to hit join or I just stay here and don't I don't know how to use this Zoom.
Hit join. You hit join.
Okay. Well, that's what I did last time and it kicked me out of the meeting.
Don't hit leave meeting.
No, I didn't hit that.
Okay.
I have a very poor quality phone.
Okay. Anybody we're ready on? Anyone? Study finds that women need more sleep than men because they use their brain more often throughout the day.
I agree.
I bet you do. I bet every woman in here agrees with that. That's called.
No arguments here. No arguments here.
I bet that's cold. Man. That's why my wife sleeps so much.
That's it.
That's why my wife sleeps.
She's a thinker, exactly.
She's thinking.
I know. All right, Mr. Roderick. Mr. Roderick, why are you so late?
I'm so sorry.
That's
My
the
dad
son.
just
That's
aware
the
of me.
son. That's the
Yeah,
son.
yeah. I'm Junior. I'm so late. I'm so sorry, Your Honor. I am so sorry. I didn't mean to disrespect the courts. I am so sorry. I want to get this matter clear, and I want
Turn
to
your
move on with my
camera.
life.
Let's not talk without the camera on.
Oh, I need to cut it something on.
We don't, not until I call your case.
Okay.
Good morning to you.
Good morning too. You looking good though, Judge.
Man, I've been looking good all my life, you know.
I know that right. I know that right.
Saying, right?
That's what I
I
got
know
that
that
from my
right.
grandmother. I used to go see her. Grandma, you looking good? She said, I've been looking good all my life.
Yeah, I know that right.
I like that response.
She was
Yeah,
something
say
else.
that. Man,
She
say
was
that,
something
man.
else.
Say that. My dad told me I was supposed to be in court today. I thought he was lying. I'm like, man, I ain't got no charges, but I forgot I had traffic tickets. I'm like, yeah, let's figure this out. Let me call him. Thank
All
God he
right.
reminded me.
Yeah, thank God for dads, right?
Yeah, he a good dad too.
Your Honor.
Yeah. Let's go back on the record, Miss. Yeah. Ready on
Miss
good?
Gooden, yes, Miss Gooden is 2 days off of surgery and is supposed to be in the surgeon's office right now. The prosecutor concurs if the court would provide an adjournment.
Let's go back on the record with Miss Gooden. Miss Gooden, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel.
Good
And
son. Unless you
not
talking
you,
about.
not you,
Oh,
not you,
okay.
Mr. Take your hat off, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right.
I'm
Miss
sorry.
Gooden, Stasia Nay Gooden.
Yes.
You called in.
Yes.
All right, and you need some time to get yourself together.
Yes, I had knee surgery 3 days ago.
All right.
And I'm
All right.
supposed to go back today.
All right, and Mr. Barry, what is today is the date and time set for a formal hearing and trial, and the officer was NPO Nichols. NPO Nichols, state your name, badge number, department. Good morning for the record, please.
NPO Doug Nichols, badge 1784, Detroit
Good
Police
morning
Department.
to you.
And good morning.
Good morning. All right. When do you want it to come back?
Are you talking to me?
Yes.
Yes.
Whenever, I'm guessing. And I also need to, I have a video, the last attorney that I spoke to, she told me to go back to that area and take a picture and a video of where he said I wasn't supposed to go. So I do have that, but I'm not sure. And the attorney that I was just speaking with, he said that we had to figure out how to get that into you guys.
And then we found out about the surgery.
Pardon me?
And then we found out about the surgery, Your Honor.
Right.
And that's why our position is to ask for an adjournment.
All right, we'll give you an adjournment. Come back on trial. NPO Nichols trial, September the 4th.
September 4th. Okay.
September the 4th.
So how would I get that?
You have to figure that out.
I can put my email in the chat, Your Honor.
Yeah, send that video, because the people would have to are able to see that video as well. So send that video to Miss Horn, and maybe she can help you we'll get it put up on the screen like that.
Okay, and then what about my driver's license? I did have a valid driver's license, which you saw last time.
All right, well, we got to deal with that when you come back. You want to adjourn it for your knee. Do you want us to do this right now? Or do you want to adjourn it for your
I
next?
was just trying to ask questions so I can know what to do, so I can be prepared.
Okay, very well. So prepared being, get that video to Miss Horn, go in the chat, and Miss Horn should put her email address in the chat, and then
Done, Your Honor.
Get that video to Miss Horn, and then we can help you put the video on the screen when it's necessary.
So do I go to join break room?
No.
Actually, I chatted you, Miss Gooden. It should be in the chat, my email address. I want an announcement on YouTube because I don't want people having my direct email address.
So is that new chat or is this private message someone?
It's in your chat. And it should be in your chat now.
Yeah, I don't see it. Is it Tommy something?
Yeah, something like that.
Okay. Okay, I have your email. I have it.
Write that down, take a screenshot of it, and get Miss Horn the video as soon as you can, because she has a right to see that. Roderick Goodson, we don't want to see your bare chest.
I'm sorry. I'm going to put on a shirt right now. I'm trying to take the camera off you. I'm so sorry, Your Honor.
I'm close camera on.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
So Miss Gooden, go ahead and get that to Miss Horn, and then come back on September the 4th. All right.
September 4th
at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you, sir.
I also sent you my my cell phone, not my cell phone, but my office telephone number. So if you have any difficulties, just call and we can.
I don't see the number in there now. Hold on, let me go. I can go to my contacts and put it in there right now.
So patient when it comes to them, but they're impatient when it comes to us.
What is it, Miss Horn?
I just put it in the chat. I don't want to.
In the chat. Oh, okay. Yeah, you don't want public. Okay. Okay. Let me look and see if I can.
All right. Get well soon, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate everything.
And best of luck to you.
You too. Thanks.
And Your Honor, Prosecutor Riley is also getting in, also in the waiting room. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Okay, Jamari.
All right, City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Ariane Ginyard, case number SP 191-7420, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 191-74801. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. Now state your full name, Mr. Ginyard.
Ariane Ginyard.
Good morning to you, sir. Date and time is set for a trial. Is our Officer Davis? Officer Davis. Hearing no response, I don't have that officer on my list. Go ahead, Counsel.
Right now.
The motion is for dismissal. There being no complaining.
Go ahead. I'll dismiss the cases for no officers. Nothing further. Have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you. Mr. Logan, Mr. Ginyard, have a great day.
You too.
Thank you. City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus James Earl Logan, case number SP 193-16201. For the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Logan.
James Earl Logan.
Good morning to you. Time.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Can you run Mr. Logan's license, please? Mr. Logan, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. He's in there, Mr. Berry. Pass the matter.
Your Honor, this is Carl Garden. What would you like for me to do, sir?
Wait,
Yes, sir.
please.
No problem. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes, I have found it. Okay, so that's through the Southwest Community Court. And have you talked to Mr. Phillips? Hold on one second. We have Jamari Ferris. He was sentenced to community service on the 5th, but he says he has not heard from Mr. Phillips. He's not on the docket.
Okay, get his information and we'll tell Mr. Phillips to call him.
Okay. Okay, sir. I need to get your telephone number so we can contact Mr. Phillips and have him give you a call, okay?
Good morning, Ms. Riley.
Okay, here's the thing. If you
Good morning, Your Honor.
started community service today, but you haven't
Talk to them.
talked to them, how does that work? You talk to the, correct. Yes. Yes, through the Southwest Community Court, they arrange, you talk to them, they arrange where you do your community service. So if you haven't talked to them, that I have no idea. That's possible, sir, that is possible. I don't know the details. I'm going to get your phone number and we are going to, okay, hold on, 1-313-207-5089. Okay, we will submit this over to Mr. Phillips, who's in charge over there. We will submit it today. I cannot tell you when he's going to get a hold of you, sir. Okay.
You ready on Mr. Logan, Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor.
What's gonna happen with Mr. Logan? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Logan.
Your Honor, we'd ask the court to confirm that he has a valid license.
Can you check Logan's license, please?
Sure can. He is valid.
He's valid. All right, we're gonna dismiss the case, sir. We'll provide you valid documentation. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a best of luck to you. City of Detroit versus Rhoda Gilliam, case number SP 1-83891. Appearance for the record, please. Can you run her license?
Elwood S. Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gilliam.
Ms. Gilliam, state your name for the record, please. You there? It's not coming through. Ms. Gilliam, bye. Dismiss, Ms. Gilliam. Have a good day.
She's confused.
Case dismissed, ma'am. Yes, case dismissed. Bye.
How can Mr. Goodson here though?
Nigga just finessed me out of 1,700. I could say
Please.
15, but the extra 200.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Please don't do that.
I'm sorry.
All right, Ms. Gilliam's not, I dismissed your case, ma'am. You have a valid license. Best of luck to you.
Right back.
Mr. Berry, let's go with, Michael Long, are you there? A star six, unmute yourself, please. Michael Long. I did to stop the video. You have a middle name, sir?
Yes, Tyrese.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Michael Tyrese Long, case number SP 1929656, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Long.
Michael Tyrese Long.
Mr. Berry, good morning to you. Today's date and time is set for a show cause. Mr. Long, Mr. Berry, it is an unsafe manner ticket that they allege was in default on the 7/28. The city has no objection to the default. We'll set it aside. If not, Mr. Long needs to present good cause on why the court should not let him be heard on it. Mr. Long, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, we'll pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lloyd Goldman. Mr. Goldman, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Thank you, Judge. I had an opportunity to conference this case with Madam Prosecutor. One of the officers, Caitlin, did appear. However, the other officer, Huertas, did not. The prosecutor is recommending a dismissal for no recollection, Officer Caitlin's case, and we're requesting a dismissal for failure to appear on the other 3 matters.
All right, case is dismissed, sir. I'll waive the warrant fee. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Judge, also, I talked to the prosecutor and, well.
Lasco is here. What about G? Let's go back on the record with Ms. G. Go ahead.
Yes, Judge.
Go ahead.
I did have an opportunity. I sent Ms. G a chat. Hopefully she saw it. I had an opportunity to conference the case again with Madam Prosecutor. Thank you. I did obtain a revised plea offer of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, which would enable Ms. Is she there? Did I just lose her? Okay. which would enable Ms. Gee to still obtain her license.
Ms. G, you want to take the deal, ma'am? So it's an allowing now. That allowing is not going to abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it won't affect your ability to get a license moving forward. You want to take the deal?
Yes.
All right. And we already did the factual basis. I'll find her guilty as to the amended count of allowing. $240 is the fine. I'm marking the file allow payment plan. You've already told me your situation, so and then I won't stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Yes.
All right, I'll find your client guilty as to the amended count of failure of blocking traffic for that. I'm gonna cut you a break on that. No fine on that. $240 for the allowing. Pay it by September the 14th, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload to DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it, or come on down to the courthouse on or before September 14th and get into a payment plan, okay?
Yes.
Thank
All
you,
right,
Judge.
so come back September 14th and let us know what you did at 8:25, okay?
Yeah.
Best of luck to you, ma'am, and good luck on that license, okay?
Thank you. You have a great day.
You have a better one. Miss, this is the city of Detroit versus Janika Blaster, case number SP19. Oh, no. Go to the breakout room with Miss
Lasco.
Lasco.
Okay. All right.
Try to join it, Miss Lasco.
Okay.
All right, are you ready on Gooden, Mr.
I have his
Soroka?
offer. Yes, I have his offer. We'll see if he accepts it or not.
Well, why don't you speak to him about it?
I wasn't able to move him to the breakout room. He was just in the main session. I'm back.
Mr. Gooden, you're causing me some problems now. You're gonna have to stop what you're doing. Goodson, where is he?
I don't know.
Roderick?
Here he is. He's under Roderick, I think, with
Yes.
with the R. You can't, and he's muted.
Roderick Goodson.
Tell you the truth, I think his father was my client. It was really my client because he's the one with.
Well, yours is your name is under his.
Can you hear me now? Can y'all hear me now?
Your name is under his name too.
I know. I made a mistake. I didn't realize that it was his tickets and not his father's. But it's okay.
So do you
whatever. I'll resolve it.
Do you want to tell them to take that off of there, or you want to represent them?
Your Honor, can you hear me now?
Yes. Hold on.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. Do you want to represent them, or you want us to just let the city appoint? Let them talk to a city house council.
Whatever the court prefers. If we can resolve it now, I'll resolve it now. If not,
yeah, please. Please.
All right, Mr. Goodson, go to the breakout room.
I don't know what that
Join
is.
the room.
Oh, I gotta figure out how to do that. I don't know to
Just
this.
Just hit join.
Hey, cut. L, you know how to join something? They said hit join. Hit join for me. I don't know what that means.
Hold on one second.
They say hit join.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
How's it going?
It's going. So we have Mr. Lewis downstairs.
Yeah. I'm not gonna set that aside.
Okay, so you're not accepting the set aside?
Yeah, I haven't. I'll let the council come in, but I've read preliminarily what he wanted. We asked him that clearly.
Okay, I know he's had positive screens for fentanyl as well.
Yeah.
So we've been trying to, talk to him down there and things of that nature, trying to, explain to him why he needs us. He's still really bent on arguing this motion. So Judge Holmes wanted me to come up and talk to you about that because since he is disputing the plea now, I don't think that we can do anything just yet.
All right, well, what we'll do is I'm inclined to not grant that. I read it, so you can let her know that.
I'll let her know that and we'll take it.
Thank you.
No problem. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, our Officer Sarkeesian, I've been waiting on Guzman the whole time. Attorney Paris was here. I don't know what's going on with that.
Yeah, Your Honor, I saw they got moved into a breakout room because they needed a translator, but I haven't heard anything else since then.
Now I don't know where Attorney Paris is. Where's Attorney Paris? Can you call her, please? All right, let's go back on the record with Lasco. Now she fell off.
Ms. Lasco did?
Yes. Let's call the city of Detroit. I mean, it's just a mess today. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Janika Glaster, case number SP 1929578, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Tana Jenkins on behalf of Ms. Glaster. Ma'am, your name for the record?
Janika Glaster.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time.
Good morning, Judge.
It's set for a pre-trial. Put you in the breakout room with Ms. Jenkins. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Thank you.
You're welcome. She's in there, Ms. Jenkins. We'll pass the matter. Corporal Spidell, I think your matters were taken. Oh, no, not yet. So Gardner is here. Latch, Gilliam is here. No, Gilliam, we dismissed. She had a valid driver's license. Corporal Latch. He gone. Nichols, Stephen Green, we're waiting on. All right, that's about it. They're waiting on you and they're waiting on you in 8, Ms. Paris.
Thank you, Judge. I had spoken with them. I need to speak with the prosecutor. I sent her a text message, but I do see that she's here now, so I need to go speak to her first.
Very well.
Thank you.
Are we ready on Goodson?
Yes,
Your
I'm
Honor.
here, sir. Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Roderick Dwayne Goodson, case numbers SP 1170896, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 971266, counts 1 and counts 2, U460203118, 18383671, 1848656061. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Sroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Roger Dwayne Goodson Jr.
All right, good morning to you. What's Mr. Goodson Jr. want to do, Mr. Soroka?
Your Honor,
I wanna
Mr.
take it to
Goodson's
trial.
requesting a bench trial in this matter by Zoom.
All right. Trial date is going to be September the 4th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Mr. Goodson, if there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a
And
blessed day.
That's by
All right,
Zoom,
you're welcome.
sir.
All right.
September 4th. Okay.
All right, let's go back on the, all right, Mr. Soroka, have a good day.
Thank you. Have a good
Let's
day.
go back
Judge.
on the record with Mr.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Michael.
you. Rick, what
You're
you got
welcome.
going on, boy?
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Michael Long. Mr. Long, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
All right, that's what you want, Mr. Long?
Yes, sir.
Trial September 4th, sir, at 9 a.m. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very
Okay,
good rest of
thank
your day.
All right, you too.
You're welcome. Can we get Attorney Whitey in here, please? Ready on anyone? Is that it, Mr. Barry? Let's go ahead and speak to Gardner. I don't know if he's got an attorney or not. It doesn't list an attorney down here.
Okay.
He's in the breakout room. All right. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Glaster. Ms. Glaster, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Judge, would it be possible to adjourn this matter a little while? It sounds like Ms. Glaster is very close to being able to come into compliance.
How long?
Well, it sounds like she might be ready now. She just might have to pay some reinstatement fees and go to Secretary of State. So maybe like 2 weeks.
Come
I don't
back,
see where
Ms.
she
Glaster, Ms. Glaster on a pretrial on September the 4th, 2026 at 9 a.m.
Is she here? I don't see her now.
She was.
She was here.
She's in. She dropped off the phone. Miss Lasco, are we ready on Lasco? She's found.
Yes,
I'm
Judge.
here. I'm here.
Are we ready on Lasco, Miss?
Yes, Judge. We're seeking MIDC for Ms. Lasco.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Lasco. Miss Lasco, you need an appointed attorney.
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set a pretrial date for September the 4th, 2026 at 8:30. That date is set to make sure that attorney has an opportunity to contact you. If you don't hear from that attorney by that date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay? I just need you to answer the
Okay, Your
calls.
Honor.
I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney, okay?
Okay, Your Honor.
I wish you the best of luck, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You too, Your Honor.
Judge,
You're
I
welcome.
chatted
Thank you.
her telephone number over to one of the blocks. Was it received?
It was.
Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck, Ms. Lasco.
You have a
September
good,
the 4th.
thank you.
Good luck.
Oh, here she is.
Is this Ms. Glaster?
Let's back on the record with Ms. Glaster. Ms. Glaster I'm gonna have you have a pretrial date on September the 4th, okay, 2026 at 8:30. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of
Judge. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
I have a court date on September the 4th, for Warren. So,
Do you want to zoom in after that?
I can, if it's perfectly fine with you, yes, I can zoom in after that.
All right, I'll mark the file. You have a court date in Warren. We'll wait on you.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Glasgow. You're welcome.
Good luck, ma'am.
Good luck to you. We'll agree.
I thought it was the last one.
Glaster.
Or you sent it to the side.
Yeah.
Judge, is Blake the attorney on Green?
Yes.
Okay.
Can we get Attorney Whitey in here, please?
I tried calling, I've tried texting.
I'm pretty sure the city was going to dismiss on Green. If that's the only Green, I did overhear that. So if that helps.
Well, he's I don't know what Attorney Blake is doing, probably in another courtroom, but we got to get it going. I'll try to pull him out.
I mean, double check me, but I did hear maybe the city could.
And Ricardo Guzman, we need to get him going as well.
I see Attorney Harris here for Ricardo Guzman in room 4. I also see a Jalea Ganson.
That's for Whitey.
Oh, okay.
This court calling me. Hold on a second.
It didn't.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hello?
what's going on? Yeah,
You can get it from me. All right, are we ready on Mr. Gardner, Mr. Berry?
I'll be ready.
All right, thank you. All right, City of Detroit versus Carl Anthony Gardner, case number SP 1921964, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1921971. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gardner.
Carl Anthony Gardner.
All right, Mr. Gardner, today is date and time set for a trial. What's going to be the resolution here, Counselor?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea as charged to the improper plates, the 3 remaining matters to be dismissed.
Corporal Spidell, good morning to you. State your name, badge number, and department for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Corporal Spidell, Batch 402, Detroit Police Department.
All right, good morning to you. You want to take the deal, Mr. Gardner?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to June 4th, 2026 at around 3:36 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Finkel and Tracy. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir, I did.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Officer asked you to produce valid, was that your 2001 Toyota?
Yes, sir.
What was wrong with the plate on that vehicle?
It was a paper plate on it, sir.
It wasn't valid?
Yes, sir, it wasn't not.
Find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plate. Stipulate the probable cause will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, $240 I'll dismiss upon payment. When can you pay it, sir?
Next Friday, sir.
All right, pay it by next, I'll give you till the 28th. I'm not here on next Friday. 28th, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, sir. You have one too as well.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Ricardo Diego Guzman. Case number SP190-14301. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llamará el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Ricardo Diego Guzmán. Número de caso SP190-14301. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Good morning, Your Honor. City of Paris, P88615 here on behalf of Mr. Ricardo Diego Guzman. Mr.
Buenos días, su señoría. Habla la abogada Cinia Párez, número de abogada P88615, representando al señor Diego Guzmán.
Mr. Guzman, please state your full name.
Señor Guzmán, por favor, díganos su nombre completo.
Mi nombre es Ricardo Diego Guzmán.
My name is Ricardo Diego Guzman.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a trial. Officer Sarkeesian, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Morning, Your Honor.
Señor, este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener un juicio y tenemos aquí el policía. Por favor, díganos su nombre, el número de su chapa y el departamento suyo oficial.
Officer Sarkeesian, badge 930, Detroit Police Department, 4th Precinct.
Habla el policía Sarkassian, número de chapa 930 del departamento de policía de la ciudad de Detroit.
It is date and time set for a trial. What's going to be the resolution, if any?
Y este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener un juicio. ¿Cuál es la resolución que tenemos, si hay una?
Your Honor, at this time, having spoken with the city attorney and reviewing this matter, there is an issue with identity, and the city attorney is moving to dismiss. For that reason, there is a stipulation of probable cause for the dismissal.
Su señoría, ya que yo he hablado con la fiscal de la ciudad, reconocemos que hay una dificultad con la identificación. Por tal razón, pedimos que el caso quede desestimado y hay una estipulación de que hay causa razonable para desestimar, disculpe.
All right, case dismissed. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you all.
Muy bien, entonces el caso queda desestimado. Si no hay algo adicional, que todos tengan buen día y buena suerte a todos.
And Officer Sarkeesian,
Yes.
Officer Sarkeesian, this is Prosecutor Horn. We did compare the video to him, and there were several differences, including the fact that Mr. Diego Guzman was younger as well.
Y oficial Sarkassian, sépase que nosotros revisamos el video cuidadosamente y notamos que habían varias diferencias, incluyendo el nombre.
So this is not Ricardo Guzman Cobra Rubias?
Así que este señor no es Ricardo Guzmán Covarrubias. Correcto.
I guess I'm confused. So is the defendant that's in the courtroom today not that person, or is that him, but that wasn't him in the car?
Creo que estoy confundido. ¿Me está diciendo usted que la persona que está aquí en la sala del tribunal hoy no es él o que no era él en el vehículo ese día, que había otra persona?
The person here is not the defendant who was in the car.
La persona que está aquí hoy no es el acusado que estaba en el vehículo ese día.
Understood.
Entendido.
Thank you, officer.
Gracias.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Que tengan todos buen día entonces.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
I don't have my watch on. It's actually still morning. Yeah,
All
a few
right, Mr.
minutes.
Guzman, you're free to leave.
Así que, señor Guzmán, ya usted se puede desconectar. Caso desestimado.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you so much.
Have you spoken, Attorney Horn? Have you spoken with Whitey?
Yes, and what's going on with Blake Wright? Right, Blake.
He's there. Where's Wright Blake?
He's bouncing in and out. But I did speak to.
I was told
I was told to come back to the courtroom.
Okay.
Well, have you spoken with Mr. Horn yet?
This one, I saw him in the breakout.
You haven't spoken with him?
No, but he left.
He's here now. What is,
Who's his? I saw him.
Stephen Darrell Green.
Can you meet me in the breakout room with the other attorney? I know you got other cases.
I'll go straight there.
I'm gonna stop his video. Maybe that helps.
Okay, let me go with you. Thank you.
Go back in 4, please. Miss Villarreal, you're free to leave. I
Okay.
thank you so much. I'm
You're
sorry it
very
took so
welcome,
long.
Your Honor. That's
Ask
okay.
Mr. Guzman, he's free to leave as well.
Yes, I let him know, Señor Guzmán, si aún está aquí, se puede desconectar. Have a great day, Your Honor.
Gracias.
Well.
Thank you.
Nomás que no sé cómo.
Oh, I don't know how to disconnect.
I'll put him out.
Nosotros lo vamos a desconectar, ¿ok?
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
Welcome.
De
All
nada.
right, thank you, Mr. Earl. Sorry it took so long.
I didn't realize that that paperwork was that the one that was going to street court. When he turned it in yesterday, and I looked at the name, but it just didn't connect.
Who, Glover?
No, Mr. Ogletree's client
Oh,
in Holmes.
yeah,
Yeah, that's awful.
he's nuts.
Yeah.
I'll take both of them.
Both of you.
Yeah.
Oh.
Are we ready on green?
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Stephen Darrell Green, case number SP 186-29431, SP 188-69871, SP 1936021, and SP 1936061. Appearance for the record, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Wright Blake appearing on behalf of Stephen Green.
All right, Mr. Green, good morning. Will you state your name for the record?
Stephen Green, sir.
All right, officers, I think Walsh, they all put their appearance on the record. What's going to happen with these cases?
Judge, there's a mutual request to adjourn for discovery.
What are we resetting this trial date or what?
I would set it for a pretrial, Judge, if you would.
I'm going to do this one last time. It's a pretrial, September the 4th, 2026 at 8:30.
Could we do the following week, Judge? So start a trial on the 1st.
September the 11th.
That's fine.
All right. Please have it figured out. Best of luck to y'all. Have a very good rest of your day. Officers, be safe.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. don't know what was supposed to go on with this, but he never paid. I don't see the file. I don't know if it was community service or not.
Yeah.
Let's see. I didn't see community service on there.
And Ms. Williams Law was going to review what that Z case from the 10th.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. After day, she would listen to it, so, and let me know.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ms. Williams. Well,
No problem, Judge.
City of Detroit versus Talia Ganson, case number SP 1915181, SP 1915194, counts 1 and counts 2, and Z8 101311. Appearance for the record, please.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303, Your Honor. Good afternoon.
And good afternoon, Your Honor. Dennis Whitey, P79560, on behalf of Ms. Ganson, who appears by way of Zoom. Ms. Ganson, please unmute yourself and state your full name for the record.
Julia Ganson.
All right, good morning to, or good afternoon to all of you. I've given you an opportunity to pre-try what's going to go on.
Yes, Judge. So I spoke with Ms. Horn about this case. As the court's aware, I filed a motion just 2 days ago. I did get the case reviewed, discovery, and did the motion pretty much all in the same day. So Ms. Horn needs some time to look at the motion, talk to her officers. I have no problem with that. We'd just like to schedule a motion hearing on September 22nd, later in the afternoon. I know you're going to have a busy docket if that's possible, and potentially we won't need the evidentiary hearing. Once she reviews everything, we might just stipulate to Your Honor watching the video, and we can argue from there, the report and the video.
I won't September 22nd, so it's got to be either before that or the week of October the 5th or thereafter.
Okay, what's the week before you said?
The week before or October the 5th. I'll give Ms. Horn an opportunity to give me a date when she'll think she can have her response and stuff ready.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. So we were planning on preferably September 11th for my response due, Your Honor, and then whatever the court wishes to have hearing thereafter, prior to you not being available, Judge.
Yeah, Judge, how about September 17th, if that's good.
September 17th.
Okay.
At 8:30. That's a motion hearing. All right.
Yes, Your Honor. The defendant's motion to suppress and dismiss.
Right. All right. Ms. Jansen, December 17th at 8:30. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck.